Start, and how about Andrew Scott to the point? All right, what car do you stop and go?
All right, E-Buggy GMAIN. I am got the bump. I won the H. Now I'm in the G. Oh, okay.
There's the chair. All right, guys, we have roll them out.
All right. Another E-Buggy. Third race in a row. All right. I know I have a blown tire bead because I just raced twice, and certainly I think an inside bead is let go. So we'll see how this pans out for me. I just have to be easy on the throttle.
All right, so
try and keep my rubber on the wheels. Man, the adrenaline is flowing from a race. Marshall a 20-minute nitro race. Marshall a 10-minute truggy. Whoops, I'm a bump. Another 10-minute main. I would have to move up the entire grid and finish in top 4 in this to be able to race this buggy again. Highly unlikely, but we'll see what happens.
Carter still on point, Brady in second, Rob, your third, Andrew fourth, Lou 5, Derek 6, John 7, Ryan 8, 10 to line on 9, and Hoover
I guess I guess I get to be 7.
Can't see the realities of playing bump game, unfortunately. A lot of track time today.
I thought I was starting from 11. I have a better start position than I thought.
This is going to be your E-Buggy GMAIN.
All right, here we go. Starting from 7. I just have to move up 3 spots, finish in top 4.
You guys bump, you'll go to race 15. Top 4 transfer. Cars ready. Drivers ready. Going racing on the side of the tone, less than 5. That's going to be the first one race. You can play no more. Start, and how about Andrew Scott to the point? All right, what car do you stop and go? And go. You guys are all big jumble up mess there. And nobody wants to leave. Holy moly, who wants to leave?
Hey!
Oh, man, it was Kennedy off the Dragon's back and he's in trouble.
Great. First, dude, put me down.
Well, folks, have you heard this before? Ryan Mitchell for the lead. From 8th to 1st, the Golden Horseshoe is stuck somewhere, Ryan. I don't know where, but I wouldn't move it right now.
Oh!
Mitchell over the trouble, still going to be in that 4th spot, 3rd.
Well, this is entertaining for video, that's for sure.
Clear. All right, so Mitchell back to work. McKay takes a big top. What's that going now? Moving the way to the top. Followed by Andrew Scott. Derek, 10 to top 4.
Oh, I hit that tree.
That's right, Carter.
Hit that tree again. Oh, my tire is coming right off. I have to be real careful about that. Got a front tire barely holding on.
Rob Van Ness 4. Looks like Gary Constantine at 5. Carter Steele in the 6. Followed by Kennedy in the 7. Mitchell 8 and Brady McKay. Top over to Brady Andrew 10. Nice work, good gentlemen. You worked it out very nicely.
Alright, I got 10 minutes to try and make it back.
There's Van Ness behind you guys. And now will be Carter Steele.
That was some skill to keep that on the rubber side down.
Junior, as they call him. 2 down to go. Legends 40 plus Nitro E-Buggy. That is your next. Race number 14 coming up. Thanks guys for sticking with us. A lot of racing over. Appreciate you sticking with us. Remember guys, we're going to restart at 8:30 tomorrow. Restart race number 17. So E-Buggy GMAIN drivers, you'll be up.
Whoa. Track cut, get the position back because I cut the track. I'm nice like that.
Vanderway, Scott, Van Ness on the line. Still a good race in the center for 2, 3, and 4. Fifth place now has been going always back, so we got 2, 3, 4. Doing well together, working together. Oh man, that's never got that second spot. Slippery move. Andrew back on the inside, he gets it back. Oh, good racing. The line sticks his nose in there. Nice clean driving, guys. This is cool. Again, you're still 2, 3, 4. All looking to transfer to the FMAIN. 2, 3, 4. You're getting a little fun right now. Ken jumps into that third spot. Literally jumps into that third spot. Thompson at 5, Kennedy, 6, Mitchell, McKay, Seal. Oh, no trouble for the line. It's not fun anymore. There's a double-double. Still in trouble. Oh, and Kennedy and Thompson both get by. Thompson's going to slippery pass. That should be for 4th. Thompson's going to get 2 for 1 right there. 3:30 on, 6:30 to go. So let's see if Derek now been locked in with Kennedy right behind him. That's the race of the final transfer. Here's John. 4th and 5th. I'm sorry, Derek is on. So Ryan's in that 5th spot. Kennedy trying to take the safe way out. He's trying to make the corner best he could there. Kind of like a motocross, he's trying to safe way out without cutting anything. Banger with Scott, Van Ness, Constantine. Still got Kennedy at 5. Kendall line at 6, Mitchell 7. McKay 8, nobody out of this one yet.
Come on. Come on, John. You're
Banger with 4. You can do it.
He's going to mess up. Yep. Oh, I did too. It's slippery right here.
Constantine 4, Kennedy here he comes over double. Has to check double with second double. For the nice save. Live to fight another lap, Mr. Kennedy. 4:30 on, 5:30 left to go. It's Vanderway out front now, about 5 seconds of the round. Andrew Scott in that 3 spot. Constantine being pressured by Kennedy. That's the race for the FMAIN right there. The line 6. Mitchell, McKay, Seal. 4:35 on, 5:15 left to go. We are still watching it all here in E-Buggy GMAIN. Constantine makes a mistake. Kennedy goes to 4th now. Over the double-double. And 5th going to go to Mitchell, so Ryan's not out of it yet either. 5 minutes on there, 5 to go.
Oh, I still got half the race to defend this. That's going to be really hard with my tires. Got half the race to defend this. It's going to be hard with my tires flopping around.
We'll do a quick track before the Nitro Buggy Plus main guys, so we'll get all the time for Marcus getting place under it. Right now it's Vanderway out in front though. Lou by 3.5 seconds. Over Van Ness. Still got that third spot in jeopardy. Van Ness taking it over now. I just saw a pass this time by through the right side. Vanderway 3. 2 guys. Scott 3. Kennedy still 4th. Mitchell and McKay down for 5th. Not too far behind John Kennedy, but right now Kennedy has the advantage of a couple of corners and is keeping it clean. Kennedy always has the consistency in hand, but he does have 2 players coming off the wheel. That could make the car handle a little bit funky. Mitchell in that 5 spot, McKay in the 6. Carter Steele back in that 7 spot. He's not out of the yet either. Steele Jr. in the 2 car. Gets a spot on the clean right there. And Brady can't get off the pipe. Nice quick mark from Kyle. It's all clear. Under 4 to go now, race number 13. Wow, Lou, Andrew, John, Ryan, top 5 minutes Carter, Ken, Brady, Derek Constantine did his work. Unfortunately, trouble for Derek. Looks like he's about to come back. He's back there now. Nice spot, but a couple of long laps in a row taking him out of the running. Looks like they're off the track in the sweeper. I think I saw him on the woods. Dennis in search mode. I don't know.
If I hit the tree, I couldn't see myself.
Oh, you do it out there. Oh, that was good there. Yeah, that's not going to help. That was wrong there. That was going to be the white machine at the line. All clear though, all clear.
I'd imagine that car behind me for position. I don't know.
Still have Kennedy in that 4th spot. Mitchell was getting closer to that mistake. 3 minutes to go. Nitro cars, please hold them outside the track, outside the track, outside the track. Behind the trees, guys, behind the trees. Behind the trees. Vanderway, Van Ness, Scott, Kennedy, still your transfers. That's at the 2, at the 7:30 on, 3:30 left to go.
Oh, I've still got 2.5 minutes left.
Battling, not battling, actually, Kennedy's 1 lap up on there. It's 7th to 9th. Still watching that lead battle. Still going to be Van Ness. Oh, sorry, Vanderway, then Scott and Kennedy. Van Ness dropping down to the 4th spot. So Ron puts himself back in dangerous territory as Mitchell gets closer. Yellow green is fourth. All yellow is in fifth. Kennedy now solidly in third, trying to transfer.
Oh, I'm up in the third now. The rest of the car break.
Down 2 to go. Lots of time left.
2 minutes.
That's a lot of time left, not a lot of time. Yeah, about 4 laps for the race here, so to get it done. Then we're clean through. So Andrew Scott right in through here. That's first and second. Kennedy over the double. This is the race though, right here. Van Ness gets around McKay. McKay is not in the race here, he's 1 lap down. So he's going to have Mitchell far behind if he gets to him. That is going to be Mitchell in fifth, trying to challenge Van Ness. 8:30 on, 1:30 left to go.
The pace is falling.
John, Rob, Ryan, your top 5 all like Carter, Ken, Breen, Derek, and Dan. 5 minute 20, race the lead, getting hot. Angel up the inside. Nice Cruzer, he let Louisiana back up. Definitely caught the wheel, but nice sportsmanship out right there. The race still is for fourth though. Van Ness being pressured by Mitchell. Couple corners back. McKay's trying to mind his own business back there. He's being nice. 9 down, 1 to go. Van Ness with a little lookout. Here comes Mitchell. Let's go for Ross. Come on, Energy versus the yellow car. Mitchell wants to get one more bump up. He is on fire tonight. Van Ness trying to move on. Confident in the keyhole. They get around cleanly. 45 to go. Confident that little Van Ness throws it away. And there goes Mitchell. Up to the fourth spot now. Ryan Mitchell keeping the magic going with 35 seconds to go. Trying to do one more race is Ryan Mitchell. 30 seconds. Vanderwood, Scott, separating around 1.8 seconds. Andrew's trying to move over what he might have scored from last 2. Kennedy's still third, he's got third, locked up pretty well. Mitchell fourth. Van Ness now 40 ways back. Seal the spot for fifth now. Carter's got to make something happen, he's running out of time. 5 seconds left to go.
Last lap, 5 seconds.
To go one more lap. Will he get there in time? He will.
I got to keep that green car behind me. 1 more lap.
And this one is history. Carter will boss for fifth here. Rob for sixth. Going to the line for seventh, I do believe.
Oh, help, help, help. All right, I did it. Yes. Woo. Oh, we did it.
Your top 4 transfer.
Oh, we did it. We got to race buggy tomorrow. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Now I'm going to marshal another Nitro.